gusting up to 32 miles an hour, not very pleasant. That's the view further north, looking to the Munros and the Cairngorm Plateau. I'm in the cloud as you can see, but it's just near the top of me. I think it's Ben or something like that. Sitting in the cloud, unfortunately, but I knew that was going to be the case today. I was just hoping I would get the Corbin clear, which it's so far hopefully the rain and that is not forecast, but I'll catch up with you when I get to the summit.